The Nothing Phone 3 has become one of the most anticipated devices of 2024, sparking a lot of excitement in the tech community, though its release was postponed to 2025. So far, we have seen 3 concept designs of the Nothing Phone 3, each offering a unique and stylish look. The first design, shared by Android Leo, resembles the iPhone 16 Pro series. It features a triple camera layout positioned on the right corner of the phone's top side. The phone bears a close resemblance to Apple's Pro series. With its black color and transparent glyph interface, the phone retains the unique look of the Nothing device. However, it seems unlikely that this design will make it to the final product. Carl Pei would not want people to call him a copycat. Next is the concept design by David Jojua, showcasing a horizontal triple camera setup at the top of the phone, with a glyph stripe located just below. This design has received a lot of positive feedback, particularly among existing Nothing Phone users. Jojua's design includes 4 color options: red, black, blue, and white, all of which are visually striking. Finally, Aaron Carpenter presented his take on the Nothing Phone 3, featuring a vertical triple camera array in a raindrop formation centered at the top of the phone. The initial version in red didn't seem to appeal to a wide audience, but 2 new color options, white and dark gray, have now been introduced. Carpenter mentioned that this design was inspired by the Nothing Phone 2A, though with a few adjustments to make it stand out. He also noted that creating this concept was particularly challenging, and many agree that the white version is quite impressive. Which design do you like the most? Feel free to share your opinion in the comments below. It's highly likely that when the Nothing Phone 3 launches, it will feature a triple lens camera, which seems like an obvious upgrade. Considering that Nothing now offers 2 budget-friendly phone lines, their A series and the CMF series, it only makes sense for their flagship model to take on a more pro identity within their lineup. There are also rumors that Snapdragon is preparing to announce the Gen 4 version of its Snapdragon 8 chipset in October, and Nothing is expected to take full advantage of this, possibly becoming one of the first to integrate this advanced processor into their devices, though Nothing might also go for an 8 Gen 3 processor to keep the device budget-friendly. But let's hope for the best. Additionally, the Phone 3 might be Nothing's first AI-centric device. While both the Phone 2 and 2A included Gen AI-powered wallpaper options, Carl Pei announced in his video shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, that they are working on AI-driven post-app world features. He also presented a demo of the AI. Nothing is now working on more AI-driven features for both the phone and its camera system. All eyes are on the 24th of the month, where Nothing is expected to make some big announcements. These concept designs offer a glimpse into the evolution of Nothing's design approach. Unlike many other companies, Nothing has followed a unique path, one that remains heavily focused on its consumers. They've prioritized engaging with their community through events and have been highly supportive of fan contributions, whether through official design contests or unofficial concepts. Nothing even showcases these fan-made designs on their YouTube channel, highlighting their commitment to fostering a close connection with their audience. It remains to be seen whether Nothing will continue its legacy of being a brand that values user feedback and contributions in the future. Many hope it doesn't follow the same path as OnePlus, which initially built its reputation on a similar user-focused approach but shifted over time. It's worth noting that Carl Pei, the founder of Nothing, was also behind OnePlus during its early days before he went on to start his own brand. As Nothing grows, it will be interesting to see if they maintain the strong connection with their community that has set them apart. So, what do you guys think about the concept designs? Which one did you like the most? Let us know in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more early updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.